The journey of apple cider vinegar begins in the orchard, where the story of each bottle starts with the nurturing of apple trees. Farmers carefully select ripe, juicy apples, ensuring that only the best fruit makes it to the next stage. They inspect each apple for quality, looking for the perfect balance of sweetness and tartness. These apples are washed and sorted meticulously. The washing process removes any dirt or residues, while sorting ensures that only the finest apples proceed. This step is crucial for maintaining the purity and quality of the final product. Next, the apples are crushed to break down their structure. This mechanical process is essential for releasing the juices and natural sugars contained within the fruit. This releases the natural sugars inside, which are vital for the fermentation process. The apple mash is then stirred to ensure an even consistency, preparing it for the next stage of transformation. The crushed apples, now called pomace, are ready for the next step. This pomace is rich in flavor and nutrients, setting the foundation for high-quality apple cider vinegar. This process is important for flavor, as each step contributes to the unique taste and health benefits of the final product. The careful monitoring by workers ensures that every batch meets the highest standards. The crushed apples meet yeast. Yeast are tiny helpers, invisible to the naked eye but mighty in their impact. These microorganisms are essential in transforming the natural sugars found in apples into something entirely new. They eat the sugar in the apples, breaking it down through a process known as fermentation. Under the microscope, you can see the yeast cells interacting with the apple sugars, consuming them voraciously. This process is called fermentation. Fermentation creates alcohol, and you can observe the bubbles and foam forming as a result. These bubbles are carbon dioxide, a byproduct of the yeast's hard work. The sweet apple juice becomes hard cider, a transformation that is both chemical and magical. Over time, the juice changes color, indicating the progress of fermentation. Bubbles form as the yeast works its magic, turning the once sweet liquid into a more complex alcoholic beverage. This bubbling action is a sign that the yeast is alive and active. This step is crucial for the vinegar's health benefits. The fermentation process not only creates alcohol, but also sets the stage for the next transformation, turning the hard cider into vinegar, which is renowned for its numerous health benefits. Hard cider needs air to become vinegar. Special bacteria are added. These bacteria eat the alcohol in the cider. This process turns the alcohol into acetic acid. Acetic acid gives vinegar its sour taste and pungent smell. Now, the cider is real vinegar. Time's gentle touch, aging for flavor and health. Vinegar rests in large containers. This is the aging process. Aging can take weeks or even months. Over time, the vinegar's flavor mellows. It develops a complex taste. Aging also increases the vinegar's health benefits. Section 5. A gift from the past. Apple cider vinegar's enduring legacy. People have used apple cider vinegar for centuries. Its origins can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where it was revered not just as a culinary ingredient, but also as a powerful medicinal elixir. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, used it. He prescribed apple cider vinegar mixed with honey for various ailments, believing in its natural healing properties. This practice was passed down through generations. It was a common remedy for many ailments. From soothing sore throats to aiding digestion, apple cider vinegar was a staple in traditional medicine cabinets around the world. Today, people still value apple cider vinegar. Its uses have expanded beyond medicine to include beauty treatments, household cleaning, and even as a dietary supplement. It is a popular health tonic. Fitness enthusiasts and wellness advocates incorporate it into their routines, praising its potential benefits for weight loss, blood sugar control, and overall health. From humble beginnings, it remains a gift from the past. Apple cider vinegar's enduring legacy is a testament to its versatility and the timeless wisdom of natural remedies. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.